Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation. Thank you for joining me here for this deep activation in self-devotion. Before we begin, just take a moment to be with yourself. Let the world soften around you. You've been carrying so much, but this moment is just for you. Wherever you are, lying down, seated, or curled up in a cozy corner, let your body exhale. Let your breath arrive like a wave returning to the shore. Let your shoulders drop. Let your belly loosen. Let your heart be held. Place your hands on your body, wherever they feel called, and whisper within, I am here now. There's nothing to perform. There's no one to impress. Just your breath, your body, and your soul in reunion. We're going to begin by listening to the body. She's wise. She's been speaking. Let's give her the mic. Start by noticing your breath. Don't change it yet, just notice. Is it shallow? Tight? Is it hesitant? Open? Is it rushed or held? Now gently deepen it. Inhale through the nose. Fill your belly. Hold for 3, 2, 1. A slow, audible exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale. Hold. Big exhale. Now begin a rhythm of 4, 3, 2, 1, in. Hold 3, 2, 1. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuing to breathe nice and deep. Feel your feet and imagine them rooting into the earth. Feel your seat, your thighs, your spine. Begin to gently roll your shoulders. Stretch your jaw. Sway if you feel called. Bring your attention to your womb or heart and breathe there. Imagine a soft light expanding from this space, the color of your own love. Say quietly, I am safe in my body. I am sacred in my breath. I am home. Now picture a golden path unfolding beneath your feet. You are walking barefoot, soft moss below you, the scent of jasmine, the warmth of the sun on your face. This path leads to a door. You know this door. It has always lived inside you. You step forward to a place you've always known. Putting your hand upon the door, it opens and you enter your inner temple. Marble floors, rose petals, a sacred fire in the center. Stained glass windows glowing with every color of the chakras. A pool of still water reflecting your truest self. Now across the temple you see her, the version of you who is fully self-devoted. She is radiant, wild, soft, free and whole. She turns toward you and smiles because she's been waiting. You walk toward each other. You take her hands, and in this moment, you meet. You let yourself feel her love. Let yourself receive it. Whisper, I choose you. Let her hold you. Let her say what you need to hear. She now leads you to a mirror, a sacred basin beside it. In this mirror you see not just your face, but your soul. You see your tears, your joy, your years of survival, your tenderness, and you place your hands over your heart. Begin to anoint yourself energetically. Start at the crown and say, I bless my mind. I release all thoughts that are not mine. Coming down to your third eye, I see clearly. I trust my intuition. Your throat, my voice is sacred, my truth is freedom. Your heart, My heart is soft, open, and whole. I am safe to love. Your solar plexus. I am powerful. I take up space. I belong. Your sacral. My body is pleasure. My desires are divine. And your root. I am safe. I am supported. I am rooted in love. If it feels safe, gently caress your body and whisper, I am the one I've been waiting for. I am the love I longed for, and I am never leaving me again. Now seated at the center of the temple, a light begins to form above you. This is your higher self, Source. Whatever feels most resonant, let them come forward. They kneel beside you, place their hands on your shoulders, and they speak a message just for you. Ask them, what is one thing I need to know right now? As the message comes to an end, thank your higher self for a guide. You return to your reflection. You return to your body, still breathing, still here, still holy. Visualize stepping back through the temple doors, back on to the golden path, back into your room, your life, your reality. But now, you are different. You are no longer waiting. You are no longer abandoning. You are the one. Take one more deep breath. Place your hands on your heart and whisper, I love you. I'm proud of you. And I'm not going anywhere. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers, your toes. Feel your seat. Notice your breath, and when you're ready, open your eyes. The world is waiting for the woman who chooses herself, and she just arrived. Namaste.